we are going to learn sounds of animals. Okay, I'm going to show you videos where you'll see animals and what sound do they make. Fine? Shall we begin now? Come. Now look at this animal. Which animal is this? Dog. And what is the sound dog makes? Let's see. Dog barks, right? Dog barks, right? Dog barks. So the sound cat makes mews. Cat mews. Now this is which animal? Goat. And the sound goat makes? Goat. Goat is bleating. Sound of goat is what? Bleat. So the sound of goat is bleat. Fine, children? Now let's move to the next one. Now look at this. Now look at this. This is a bird. And what is the sound bird makes? Let's see. Bird chirps. What? Bird chirp. Look at the bird eating. Okay. Bird. Yeah, bird is making a sound called chirping. Right? See, bird is chirping, right? Sound of bird. Now, which animal is this? Elephant. We will listen to the sound elephant makes. Okay? And it's called elephant. Sound is called trumpet. Hear the sound. So the sound of elephant is called what? Trumpet. Look at the big ears. Right? So I hope, children, you enjoyed the video today, animals and their sounds. Fine? So till we meet again in the next video, take care. Bye, children.